chocolate chip scones. If you don't know what that is, you guys should stay at the end of the video and see what it is. The ingredients for the scones are going to be flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Cold unsalted butter, we like to cut it in pieces. We put heavy cream in here with vanilla extract. We put 2 eggs. And we got some chocolate chips and dried raisins. Cranberries. Yeah, cranberries. And we added flour. And right now we need to preheat the oven for 400 degrees. Okay, we just preheated the oven to 400 degrees and now we're gonna get back to it. Okay, so what we're gonna need to do is put the dry ingredients first, and then after we add the wet ingredients, if that makes sense. So what we're gonna need first is add the flour, right? Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna need a little help on here. Yeah, you can take that off. Okay. Then after, you're going to want to add your sugar. You have to slowly and carefully put it in. And then after, in here, I have the baking powder, baking soda, and salt, so it'd be easier. Just add that right in. Come on, Jackie. And we're going to add some. We're only going to add. Oh, we have to mix that. Sorry. We're gonna have to mix it just to get it around a little bit. And then after. Now you're gonna want.
So Stephanie, what are you using to mix all your dough? What is this thing called?
I like to call it a mixer. I don't know what it's actually
so
called.
It's a KitchenAid. It's very practical. Okay.
Yeah. And
okay.
Right now we're gonna add half of it.
Half of the margarine?
Or all that. Just why not?
Dump the whole butter or margarine, whatever you're using.
Can you hold me?
Y vas a dejarlo, batirlo no mucho para que no se caliente la mantequilla. ¿Ok? Porque la mantequilla por eso tiene que estar fría. Y a que caigan pedacitos, a que hagan pedacitos chiquitos. Préndele.
Okay, you're gonna want to stir it until it gets to little balls.
¿Un poquito más fuerte? ¿Más o menos? ¿Un poquito más? Es que tienes que darle.
Now you are going to see that the butter is incorporated. And now we have to add the heavy cream with vanilla and eggs in at the same time.
A little bit at a time. Y se va a poner medio dura. ¿Entonces se lo voy a todo? Dile que no se tiene que batir mucho la.
It's not supposed to get stirred too much. So it's fine if it's all over the place and big clumps, but that is okay.
Okay.
And so first, we're gonna add this to the side because we don't need this right now.
So what's the texture of the dough?
Yo creo que nos hace falta de esta harina.
Well, I'm gonna put this over here to the side so it wouldn't get in the way.
So ahora, Stephanie, recuerda? Now you're supposed to mix the the chips, the chocolate chips, but because we're gonna make 2 batches, we're gonna cut it in half.
Separate it.
We're gonna cut in half.
So it depends how many or what flavor you want it, or what you want. Now, as you can see, since we're doing 2 different batches, we had to cut the dough in half and put them in different places. And so what you're gonna want to do is get your chocolate chips or what you're using. As you can see, the 1/2 is in here, so we're gonna add the chocolate chips in here. We added flour to it. Have you guys noticed? And now we have to put this down to mix it.
Dale el resto, hija, primero tienes que calentar la mantequilla.
Okay.
Ahora
Now,
lo vamos a poner aquí en el.
we're going to put it here and add a little bit of flour.
This is just for that it doesn't stick to the counter, right?
Okay, yeah. Just make sure that this has to go a little quicker so the butter doesn't melt. It's not supposed to be melting, otherwise you're gonna have a very soft dough and you don't want that. Okay?
Yes.
So we gotta go a little quick on this. So I'm gonna put this and now you put the next dough
Yeah.
and
Now-
just a quick mix. Put it in. Now we're gonna make
Okay, so this other batch, it's gonna be cranberries.
Cranberries. Yes.
Okay.
then we're just gonna make like a square.
We're gonna do the same thing that we did with the other batch.
Just quick. That's it.
Okay.
Nada más que porque si no se está haciendo muy soft. So now,
Oh,
así déjalo. That's okay.
yeah, we're gonna leave it like that.
So
If
now,
you heard that,
sí está bien soft.
Because the oven's already preheated
yes.
at 400 people, as you can see.
Okay, Stephanie.
400.
Now we need to cut them.
Yes. Make sure you have a parent with you doing this, or a
Because
parent
you're gonna be.
supervise.
So now, el knife tiene que tener un poco de harina.
It has to have a little flour.
Then you're gonna cut.
You're gonna be cutting it.
Okay, and ¿qué son? 8?
Yes.
Like little triangles. Okay.
And now,
Now
as you
we're
can
gonna
see, we have our pan or whatever you want to call it.
You need parchment paper.
Parchment paper on it, and you're gonna add every single one.
So give it a little
on there.
space because they're gonna grow.
But not everyone has this kind of tray, so they can use something
No.
small.
Yes.
Yeah,
Anything you can put in the oven, but a flat tray.
Yes.
So mientras yo corto los otros.
Well,
Tú haces-
she is going to be doing the same with that, and right
you're
now
gonna
I'm going to be showing you what to do.
What's next?
So, now what you're gonna want to do?
You're gonna do like egg wash?
Yes, we're gonna get the egg wash, and you're going. I forgot to mention, but you're going to need this sugar.
It's raw sugar.
Raw,
It's raw sugar.
raw sugar. Yes. And what you're gonna want to do is get the egg, and then spread it all around everywhere on the dough.
Arriba y en los lados.
Yeah,
Why don't you just finish doing them all, and then
Yeah.
you can put the raw sugar on.
that's a good idea.
This is getting too soft.
As you can see, I'm doing it all over, even on the sides. You have to make sure it gets everywhere. we got that. And it's okay if there's a little bit of leftovers. You're gonna want to get your raw sugar and sprinkle it on the top. Not on the top, but everywhere.
That looks good.
Are you guys done with the video?
Sorry about that. I'm almost done. And, well, my mom is over there. She is doing the same thing.
So this is the chocolate chip scones?
Yes, these are the chocolate chips.
They don't need to be perfectly hot.
Yes, they don't need to be perfectly as long as it's good.
Okay.
And we
Stephanie, can you do this ones?
what's
So these are the cranberry ones.
cranberry syrup?
Okay, and do the same thing, right?
Yes. Now we have to take them out. It's been about 25 minutes. So my mom here is going to take them out and we're going to set them here to let them cool off. And they should be looking thick.
Yum.
And like I said, we're going to let them cool off. And then after we let them cool, it's time to eat it. So look at that. And we'll show you guys at the end how they taste.
Okay, now what do you eat them with?
Sometimes you can drink it with milk.
Drink it?
But I'm gonna drink it with some chocolate because, as you know me, I love chocolate.
You gonna drink them, or you gonna have them with
I'm gonna have them with chocolate.
with chocolate?
Yes.
So you can have them with the milk, with a cup of coffee,
With any.
with anything.
But
What,
Tenemos a alguien.
what about you, Chaparra? You like scones? Yes.
Dile que a alguien que le gustan así calientes.
Somebody in the family loves them like sizzling hot, right?
yeah, I wonder.
Like sizzling caliente, like sizzling like mochate.
Dad, of course.
Oh my heart.
But yeah, we'll see you guys at the end. Stop it.
Oh, it's not the end yet?
Not the end yet, but when they're cool off, we're gonna take a bite of
Can I see that texture in the center? See what it looks like in the center? Mmm. Yum.
They're hot.
They're
Está
hot.
caliente.
This is the cranberry one, right?
Wow, estos dos son chocolate.
They're pretty good.
I love
But yeah.
it. Nice Stephanie.
A todo el mundo le puedes contar que si te quiero.